Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the Apple ID you intend to edit. This prevents changes to the wrong account. Once signed in, open the App Store and tap your profile photo to reach Purchased or My Purchases, where visible records live. Next, you need to navigate to Hidden Purchases or Account Settings, right arrow Hidden Purchases to reveal items Apple keeps out of your list. This step exposes the entries you can remove or unhide, and it's required before deletion actions. Now you'll handle each hidden item individually. Tap Unhide next to apps you want removed from hidden status so they reappear in your library, then press the three dots or swipe to reveal delete options. For purchases tied to active subscriptions, cancel from Settings right arrow Subscriptions first. You can't fully remove content while charges persist. If an item lacks controls, use Report a Problem in your purchase history to request removal. This escalates to Apple's finish by forcing the system to refresh. Restart your iPhone and reopen the App Store so the changes sync across Apple's servers. Make sure to sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in if hidden items still show. This refreshes cloud-stored purchase metadata. If something won't delete or reappear correctly, gather the receipt or order ID and contact Apple support. That direct intervention resolves server-side or account-specific issues that local steps can't fix, ensuring your hidden purchases are addressed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.